Very funny.
I'm asking for the hand of your daughter. I'm really so in love with your daughter, want to make her mine. Oh, I wanna settle down with your daughter. Would you like to see the ring that I bought her? I wanna make a life with your daughter, want to make her mine. Oh, I know that you and I have been good friends since school. I hope you know I'd never take you for a fool. The 20-year age gap will be on your mind, but I only want to treat her right and make her mine. I know that you're in love with my daughter, but there's really one thing I should have warned you. If you go and marry my daughter, it could be a crime. Do you remember that night back in 99? You, me, Mickey and my future wife all scared stiff by the Millennium bug. We made a lot of love on a sheepskin rug. So if I made love to your daughter, well then I could have made love to my daughter. Thank God I've not been making love to your daughter, or that could be a crime. Yes, I remember on the eve of the millennium, all of us engaging in consensual fun. You, me, Mickey, and your future wife. And the more I think about it, she's got Mickey's eyes, Mickey's eyes. So then I've not been making love to my daughter. You said you've not been making love to my daughter. Your daughter? Whose daughter? Well then I've not been making love to my daughter, cause she's Mickey's, not mine, and that's not a crime. Did you forget that Mickey's your brother? No, he's a brother to a different mother. Whose mother? His mother. Your mother? Stepmother. Well, do you share a biological father? No, we've got different dads. Oh, that's not so bad. Cheers, that's the end of that one. True story.